Hello, good evening to Dr. Rahim and to my fellow friends. Alright, today I'm here to show you how to navigate to my WIX site. Okay, let's start with the link. Okay, this is the link. I'm going to just paste it. I'm going to click. Alright, so once we click on the link, or you type and you go to a link, you'll come to a light box. So if you notice the light box there's this welcome signboard showing, so you can't click anywhere else. You have to click to the go to site. Once you click to the go to site, you will come to the home page of my site. So if you notice, there's all the menu bars on top, and there are some few buttons there, about me, fractions, and assignment, and contact. Those are actually the same buttons which I made like a shortcut to the menu bar as well. So if you notice, at the background, that is me doing a small magic trick, because actually I like to watch magic shows, but I'm actually not a big professional in doing any magic except for that trick. So if you notice, there's my name, and you can call me as Owen as well, and that's my slogan. On the right, you notice there's this press play sign. So if you press play, the song, if you have been watching football, you know this song. So I'm just going to pause that. So that's actually the Champions League song. So if you go down after the home page, you will notice there's my school pictures and the class photo, when I was the school teacher, classroom teacher, I'm sorry, of P5A5. So these are the pictures of me and teachers and some students as well. If you go down below, it will show you to another strip where the lecturer's photo and my group members from the call course will be there. If you want to give any sort of remarks or give me any messages, you should be able to see those social media links. If you click on the links, you will be able to go to the site, but you have to log into it. And if you want to give me any remarks via the WIX site itself, you can sort of type your name in, send me an email, and you can give me the message, and it will be forwarded to my Gmail. Alright, so let's go to the second menu bar. Alright, here if you notice, on the left there is a picture of me, a formal picture of me. On the right there's a short description about me. Okay, if you are the type like me, I don't like to read much, so I'm a video type of person. So you should click on the my intro video. So in the my intro video, you should be able to see a video which I created using Powtoon. I'm just going to play a small bit of it. Alright, I'm going to skip that. So now you can look into it later on, guys. So if you click back, it'll go back to about me. If you click back, it'll go back to the home page. So now I'm going to show you my call reflections. Okay, here are all the 5 Padlet reflections which I took and pasted here. So the Google Mind Map, the critical review reflections, there are 2, and the ePortfolio reflection, and the 5th is the WebQuest reflection. Now we can go to the assignment collection. So there are like 6 buttons here. So for the individual recording, you are able to see few videos here. Some of them are Flipgrid videos, which I converted. I sort of uploaded them in YouTube. So I just play one. So you can just stream it. You do not need to go to YouTube. Alright, so that is for the individual recording. That's the 5th recording is nothing. For the group recording, I didn't embed it, so I just put the link, as it will be directed to the Google Drives. So, but it works. So you can just click on it, and you just play the video. You should be able to play.
Make it to this meeting.
So that is for the group recording. You can go back, or you can click on the list here And the Google mind map is there's a screenshot here, and the link which will direct you to the mind map itself. Okay, and for the critical review paper, there is this cover page of it, and these are the links for the first article, second article, and the final critical review paper. So it will go here, and you should be able to see the whole document. Okay, it's in Google Doc, right? And e-portfolio, this will lead you to the screenshot of the site, and this will also go back to the home page. The web quest, also there's a screenshot of the home page and the link. If I click on the link, it will direct you there. So, and again, there's even another one link, but why I created the link is actually to show the introduction of the web quest. If you want to know more about the web quest and how to make it, there are the 3 tutorial videos here, so they will exactly explain to you, and the web quest link is here as well. Okay, so for the core resources, these are actually 4 different dates which I took from the Google Classroom provided by Dr. Rahim himself. So these are all the links. So a few of the links are like this. All of them are working. I double checked them, but you need to log into Flipgrid. So I'm not going to go through it. All of these links are working. And for the courses, there are like 3 semesters here, right? So there are 5 subjects for first and second semester. The third semester I took 3 subjects. So there's the code of the subjects and the name and the synopsis of it. So for second semester and the third semester as well, like that's called as well. Okay, so now if you click on the school pictures, it'll go back to the pictures that we saw just now, and for the context, it'll go back there, and that should be it. So thank you guys for watching. I had to go a bit fast because the time is being set there. Thank you very much, and have a nice day ahead.